This is Michael Pacult, and I've owned 4 Streblows. The 28-foot Streblow gives a profile that is so elegant in the water. The way that it rides, it's just breathtakingly beautiful. All Streblows are beautiful. All are made with just extraordinary construction and attention to detail, right down to every screw that shows being perfectly aligned with every other screw. Streblows are artistry in wood. It's like driving a Rolls Royce. It's pure elegance. It's artistic beauty. It's superb performance. It enhances the experience of being on the lake to such a high level it's unlike any other experience on the water.